Welcome! In front of me is an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your control center by swiping from the top right side of the screen. And by default you should have this page open. So you want to hold your finger on the empty space and select Add a Control. Here find the low power mode, click on it, it gets added, and click on the empty space again to disable the editing mode. And now just click on the toggle. It will give you this pop-up low power mode, mail fetch, background app refresh, automatic downloads, and some visual effects are reduced or disabled in low power mode. So we're going to select continue. And you can see that it is enabled. You have this little filling for the battery. Instead of being white, now it's yellowish. So there we go. And the brightness went down just by a smidge. And once you're done with this and you want to get rid of it, you can just find the toggle once more, tap on it once again, and this will turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.